Shirley was born in winter light, 25th of July. 1936 came softly under a changing sky. A Gemmill girl with Scottish grace, kindness in her hands, a gentle heart, a steady way, the kind that understands. Ron was Dixon, English stock, tough and kind and true. 13 years ahead in time, but his heart came home to you. Both their fathers came home from war, carrying what they'd seen, and passed down strength in quiet ways through all the years between.
You were the heart of home, the kettle warm, the light left on.
From Dixon hands and Gemmill grace,
You gave us roots, you gave us place.
and all the roads we've taken still lead back to you, to the kindness in your kitchen
And the love that carried through.
You married Ron in 57, built a life by hand, wood stove glowing in the kitchen, work the young may not understand. Copper boiling for the washing, chooks out in the yard, milk came home inside a billy. Nothing easy, nothing fast. Preserves were lined up in the pantry, meals were made with care, and somehow there was always room for one more soul in there.
You were the heart of home, the kettle warm, the light left on.
From Dixon hands and Gemmill grace,
You gave us roots, you gave us place.
and all the roads we've taken
Still lead back to you, to the kindness in your kitchen, and the love that carried through.
You read the notes, you played piano, sang with a lovely voice. Local plays and music nights, you gave the town your joy. First came life at 21, 3 by 27. You raised 3 children through the years and gave them all your heaven. A mother's work was quiet then, but nothing small was done. You built the ground beneath our feet, you shaped the lives we won. Ron worked hard with worn-out hands, a good man to the core. He gave his strength until he could, and then he gave no more. 2004 took him away, but not the love you made. Some vows live on beyond the years, sunlights do not fade. You played netball, sailed the water, golf and bowls as well. Worked the op shop, poured the tea, and had a yarn to tell. Mallacoota knew your name in that easy country way. A chat, a smile, a cup of tea could brighten someone's day. There were walks beside the lake and beach tracks in the sun. Betka lookout, sea wind rising, slow steps just for fun. Those days have softened into memory, but they have not gone cold. They live in every story told and every hand we hold.
You were the heart of home, the kettle warm, the light left on.
From Dixon hands and Gemmill grace,
You gave us roots, you gave us place.
and all the roads we've taken
Still lead back to you, to the kindness in your kitchen, and the love that carried through.
You are the
Heart of home,
quiet here's to Shirley, loved by all, with family gathered near, for every song and cup of tea, for every precious year. The heart of home.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.